This is our living room. The fisheye camera distorts the view somewhat. The walls are not rounded as they show here. This is a view into the kitchen. You can see it's fully remodeled with new cabinetry, marble. That's the breakfast bar there. This is the gas fireplace with an LCD TV. It has a cable television, Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. And there's the view out of our front balcony of the mountains in the background. This is the dining area, again with a close-up of the deerskin Indian shirt and the real cowboy chaps. There's the hallway leading to the bedrooms and also the front door. Another view into the kitchen. Fully equipped, all the cookware you can need. This is a particularly distorted picture of the bedroom. It's large, but not as large as it appears here. The walls are straight, they're not curved. You can see the bathroom in the background there. This is the other bedroom. It also has two queen-size beds. There's the door into the bathroom of this particular bedroom. You can see the beds are handmade western log pine. Again, the walls are straight here. They're not rounded as they appear in this.